filling out the Pick 3 369 lottery rundown grid. Let's kick things off with our trusty base number, 369. Remember it like your lucky charm. Step 2, finding numbers for the grid. Imagine it like a game of Sudoku, but way more fun. So we've got our base number up top and the previous draw underneath. Now let's start crunching those numbers. Take the first row, for example. Our base number is 369, and let's say the previous draw is 1, 2, 3. Here's how it goes. For the first row, we add 3 from our base number to 1 from the previous draw, which gives us 4. Then for the second row, we add 3 from our base number to 4 from the previous draw, which gives us 7. Next, for the third row, we add 3 from our base number to 7 from the previous draw, which gives us 0. But hold on. In lottery math, we always use the second digit, so 10 becomes 0. So our third row is 0. Now for the fourth row, we add 3 from our base number to 0 from the previous draw, which gives us 3. See how it loops back around? We continue this process for each column until we've filled in the entire grid. So there you have it. Filling in the grid is simple, straightforward, and seriously effective. Thanks for watching. Good luck and goodbye.